Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. And today we'll be talking about a lot of things about the market, like talking about the news on the market, the upcoming event, chatting the Bitcoin chart with you, thought to show you what we are expecting from the market direction. And also we'll be talking about some memes coin and AI coin that we expect to actually go well and give some massive gains in this bull run. And before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. And if you have any question, you can make comments in the comment section below. And if you want video like this, don't forget to put on the notification so as to get more content like this. Because over time, we're making content like this, to share you about market insight and give you some market decision that you can make. So let's get started. We'll be starting with the market overview, telling you about the fundamentals and the news, what's happening right now in the market. I'll be handing over to Pump Daddy, which is one of the crypto gurus, that I give much respect to. So we'll be having him every time, in this video. And so you guys will be enjoying. So Pump Daddy, over to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks so much, my Oga, the market analyst. I really appreciate you bringing me on here. So right now is actually like one of when you look at the fundamentals of Bitcoin, this is one of the easiest times to be bullish on Bitcoin. I'm sure everyone is already kind of frustrated because there has been months and months of drops, like especially after halving. But if you look at the history of Bitcoin, this is quite normal. After every halving, there's always like a bit of choppiness before we have the parabolic run. So there was kind of liquidation cascade earlier because of the Germany selling Bitcoin. I think they sold about $2.3 billion or thereabout of Bitcoin. So, and right now they've already run out of Bitcoin to sell. And immediately they ran out of Bitcoin, Bitcoin started pumping. It actually like bottomed out. So we'll see. I think there are a lot of reasons to there's no more reason to sell now, basically. So apart from that, then you can see Donald Trump. I think these people have named this season this bull run the Donald Trump's bull run because we have a potential next president of the United States of America, which is probably the biggest economy in the world, actually advocating for Bitcoin and advocates for crypto, and that's simply huge. That's apart from the Bitcoin ETFs. Just yesterday, the Bitcoin ETFs brought in about 500, like $500 million of inflows on Bitcoin alone. So the fundamentals are incredibly like amazing right now. So apart from Donald Trump as well endorsing Bitcoin crypto, I think later this week there will be a conference, Bitcoin conference, and that conference is going to be huge because people are speculating. I think it's not even a speculation anymore. Donald Trump, probably next president of USA, is going to be, talking on the Bitcoin conference and probably have likes of Elon Musk and few others also talk on the Bitcoin conference. So it's just simply, everything is just simply, looking very good for Bitcoin right now. And also we've seen inflation. Inflation has been going down steadily. In the past 4 months, there has been steady decline in inflation. So everyone is the next thing for the Fed to do right now is to cut rates. And we all know that after the Fed cuts rates, there is most likely going to be a parabolic, everybody's going to be happy, and a lot of money is going to enter into the market generally, both crypto, stocks, assets really are going to perform very well. So that's how the fundamentals are looking right now.
Yeah, that's really great to know, like about what is happening in the market, the news and everything that is actually possibly going to affect Bitcoin price or that is affecting Bitcoin price. So and you can hear that about the news. And also we'll be going ahead to chat to give you some charts, telling you about what we feel about the chart and what we expect price to do. So which we'll be showing you guys in a moment. And as you can see, we are on the right chart right now, and this is daily time frame of Bitcoin. And you can sort of see how the price have gone parabolically moved from all the way from around $17,000 and to where it is currently. So let's just talk about the current chart we are looking right now. And this is daily time frame. And you can sort of see that price, price was bearish initially, even on a daily time frame after breaking these lows to the downside. Price switched back here. You could see after breaking this price upward, and you can sort of see another daily level that price broke here. So the other level we are expecting, because if you look at when Bitcoin created the all-time high, the new all-time high here, and sort of trying to like break it through this, and which price keep failing to create a new all-time high from the last previous price point, it hit. And you could sort of see a trend line I'm actually crossing out here, like to sort of show you like a pattern that the price was unable to like take out the previous high, and which sort of looked like a liquidity, creating liquidity on that level. And you could sort of see the possibility of price going ahead, looking that is like clearing this level and then probably coming back for a very big, huge retracement. And before that, if you look at the current price movement, let's take out this point, price break. This is the daily time frame. The next lows, because when price broke out here, let me use um you could see that when price broke out this high and then pushed back a little bit, it created a new high from this area. Where is the if price is to pull back on a daily time frame, where do you think price could bounce up from, which is this area? And then worst case, that is for Bitcoin price to remain bullish, you need to protect this low. So you could sort of see Bitcoin coming to this particular area and then probably going for a huge break up to the upside and clearing this level. I'm so much convinced and so much strong that I expect Bitcoin to clear this new all-time high and this trend line to the upside. But this is a 4 hour, this is a daily time frame level. So we could sort of see what is happening on the 4 hour level. If you look at the 4 hour level, after this break here on 4 hour, you sort of see we have another new break of structure here. So which, if you know what I'm saying, we went up to this point, came down to this low and created this new high. So meaning that for the 4 hour to remain bullish, price needs to protect this range, this low, and which is what the price is currently testing right now. So because for the price to continue to go up, you need to like protect this low and give us a new high. But the question now is, sorry. So the question now is, will this level be able to sustain or be able to hold the price of Bitcoin for us to continue the upward movement? It all depends on what the Bitcoin price is doing currently in this level. And if it's like to check a lower time frame now, maybe to see what Bitcoin price is doing, it sort of look bearish in this region. But we can't conclude yet that Bitcoin is going to like bounce off from this region, because with the look of things, there's possibility that you might see Bitcoin coming to this daily time frame region and then bounce off. Because since the price of Bitcoin have been coming picked up from $53,000, we've not really have a significant correction, and then whenever we pull back to a PO high, price keep bouncing up. And let's just look at what is happening inside this region. And you could see that price type into this region, you could see that the price has not really like switched bullish. But if we have to consider this week below as a bullish, as a new break of lows and consider it as a switch, you can say that okay, 15 minutes is bullish, but I'm not really convinced enough to say that price is going to like bounce off from here. The only way I can say price is going to bounce off from here for now, if no new low is created, is for price to come and take out this high. So if price will take out this high, then I will be convinced that, okay, I'll be convinced that price is going to, so I'll be convinced that price is going to actually break up to the upside. So that's what I have for now. So in summary, for the 4 hours to remain bullish, I'm expecting price to respect this range, that this level, and bounce off. Or if if it's broken, I expect this daily time frame to actually gradually bounce off from here. But if this 4 hour level is broken, and which is not a weak low, like a strong break, and I can, if Bitcoin to pull back, I can decide to like short it into the daily time frame. But if not, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin and expect price to respect its zones, for an upward movement. But if anything proving otherwise, then we just go ahead and play along with the trend, which every trader should always do. So, and that's all for now. So you could see now, Pump Daddy will be talking about his idea on Bitcoin chart and also Ethereum chart.
This is the Bitcoin weekly chart. So I've seen lots of people, going around asking, are we still a bull run? Are we still a bull run? Because we've seen lots of altcoins go down 70, 80, 90% even. But this Bitcoin chart is in a clear uptrend, and everything still looks super healthy. And even in a bull trend, we still see a lot of drawdowns, a lot of, we can look at the I look at the 2019 bull run as well, 2020, 2021. So there's lots of 10, 15, 20% moves to the downside. So this is pretty normal with Bitcoin. Now let's go into the daily time frame. The weekly just shows we are still in a very clear uptrend. So the daily time frame, this to me actually shows, this is the bottom here. This is the weekly bottom here. This blue range is the weekly bottom. And now we tap here first. This is the second one here, which was a huge deviation. And again, for the top time, we've deviated under. And we had a very strong reaction, especially on the weekly. Had a very, very strong reaction when we bottomed here. So for me, this strong reaction, this strong 2 weekly candles actually shows the strength. We have not seen, since we've been in this range, we've not seen such strength, such volume in Bitcoin. And I think this shows something good is coming for Bitcoin. This shows like a clear sign of bottom, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Daily time frame. So I simply use the Fibonacci to actually like check the levels to watch. Fibonacci. I use Fibonacci from the top, and from this low that created this top. So this Fibonacci has, just to show the levels that we are in right now. Currently, we are kind of battling this 382 level. That's where we currently rejected from. So if we have to have any pullback, probably this 0.5 level. Sorry, this 0.61 level. That's like 64.8, 64.9. That's the 65K region. So I think I'm actually biased towards the upside. So you probably will see something will come to this region, 65K region, we bottom out, and then we try, and because there's a lot of liquidity, as the market analyst said, there's a lot of liquidity ahead above this space. This on the daily time frame, this looks like an huge bull flag.
Yeah.
This looks like a flag in a stem. So the more we consolidate, the higher we can actually go. So this is obviously a flag, and if we break above this, the possibilities are endless. Probably 80K, 90K, 100K, depending on, as we've said earlier, there's a lot of catalysts to actually take Bitcoin, to 100K whatsoever. So apart from the Bitcoin charts, I think we should also check the Ethereum chart as well, because the Ethereum ETFs are going live. Ethereum ETFs are going live today, and that's going to be incredible. A lot of people are kind of, they don't know what's going to happen, because before the Bitcoin ETFs went live, Bitcoin pumped a lot, but for Ethereum, it's not the case. So nobody knows if it's going to. Bitcoin ETF was a sell the news event. I think it dropped about 20, 25%, or there about 15, 20%. But nobody knows because Bitcoin before the ETF pumped like 50%, then after the ETF was approved, dumped. But Ethereum is kind of different because it hasn't pumped. There hasn't been so much hype about the Ethereum ETFs. Nobody knows if it's just going to go parabolic. But right now, this chart for me is very bullish. Even though Bitcoin broke structure earlier before returning bullish. Ethereum remained bullish. It just created this is a double low. This is a double bottom here. So this is very, very strong reaction. If we can clear this 4,000 mark, I think this is going to do very, very well. I think $10,000 per Ethereum is something we can actually, you know, be looking
Yeah.
forward to later this if the Ethereum ETF goes well. So this is incredibly strong. Even Ethereum, even Bitcoin is not up on the day. Bitcoin is red on the day, while Ethereum is up on the day. That shows relative strength. And that's what Ethereum has been lacking all through this bull market. Let's check the Ethereum BTC chart. Oh, see the strength has been in the downtrend for almost forever right now. Has been on the downtrend. So it's been on a downtrend. And obviously for there to be an alt season, we need this huge resistance to be broken. And with these Ethereum ETFs, I think there's a very good reason why we should see, a big pump in Ethereum Bitcoin charts. Thank you. So we're in a meme bull market. So let's touch some meme coins. When we want to touch meme coins, we have to start from the father of all bitcoins. That's Dogecoin. The Dogecoin actually looks very, very good to me. I love this deviation and this trends. I love seeing this. So we are currently in the resistance right now. If that resistance is cleared, this chart is going to go absolutely powerful because there's been a downtrend since 2021. That downtrend has just been broken since then. It was broken last year, and now we came to retest this previous resistance. This was the bear market resistance, and now we came to retest it, create the deviation, and now we are going higher. So this chart looks very, very good. So apart from Dogecoin, let's check WIF as well, which is like the darling of the Solana ecosystem. This chart looks so good. Dog be fat. This is parabolic run. So we are currently in a range. We've been ranging. So this has been a very, very huge support earlier, and then recently it broke it. We tested it as resistance. Now broke that resistance and now support. The place previously support is now back as support. So this is a very, very huge zone. If you are looking to, you're looking to buy WIF, this is a very, very good good zone for WIF. It looks very, very good from
Yeah.
here. Because this is a very, very strong level and it has just been broken and is now retesting currently. So we'll see something like this, reach this resistance, probably have some, trouble breaking the resistance for a while, then probably break it down. Once this is broken, the possibilities are endless for WIF. All that, can we check? Let's check PEPE. Let me move this Fibonacci. Let's make this play a bit. So you can see this place was previously resistance. We tested our support now. and it's pumping. So this also looks very good because it's currently on another level, on that support. So on daily charts, and if you want to stack some PEP, this is a very, very good region, especially if it can break this level here.
Yeah.
Especially if it can break this level here, it looks very, very good. But it's currently it's ranging for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so mostly week here. If it can break this region, we'll see some nice pumps on PEPE. So over to you, sir.
Yeah, that was awesome, bro. So you guys have had about the coins to look at, since because he's actually right, since the beginning of this bull market, even there are some good coins we expect to pump there, they're not even doing unexpected. And you see some meme coins all from anywhere doing like 20x, doing some massive gains. So, and which the key ones he has already mentioned out, you guys should look at. And I feel you guys should, just also check it out on your own. This is not a financial advice, so do your own research also. So, and we'll be bringing this episode to an end. So, we're bringing this episode to an end, and we don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to put on the notification to get more video like this, sharing with you market insight, what we feel, our perspective about the market, and have a good one. Bye, guys.